Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to recover deleted tabs on Safari on any iPhone. Now, there are a few methods to recover deleted tabs on Safari. For the first method, just open Settings, then go to Accessibility. From here, just tap on Touch. Now on this page, you will find the option of Shake to Undo. Now just enable this option. Now after you enable this option, just go to your home screen and open Safari. Now in Safari, just tap on the three dots and tap on all tabs. Now if I close all the tabs on my Safari web browser, for an example, I will tap and hold on this tab. Now from here, I will select Close Other Tabs. Now to recover the deleted tabs, just shake your iPhone. Now as you can see, this notification has appeared on the screen. Undo closed tabs. Now just select Undo. And once you do that, you will recover the deleted tabs on your Safari web browser. But remember that these methods will only recover the tabs which were deleted recently. Now for the second method, just open Safari. Now in Safari, just tap on the three dots and tap on all tabs. Now let's delete all the tabs. Just like that. Now to recover the tabs which you have deleted, just tap and hold on the plus icon over here. And once you do that, it will show all the tabs which you have deleted recently. And from here, just select the tab which you want to recover. Just like that. Now for the third method, after you open Safari, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Bookmarks. Now from here, just go to your history, and from here, just open the website from the history section. Just like that. And this is how you can recover deleted tabs on Safari on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.